Today we'll learn how to find out the how to find out the inverse of a matrix, how to do elementary transformation. There are different types of elementary transformation. There are different methods for finding out the inverse. Okay, so one method we'll see today. In our last video, what we have done the some problems on matrix multiplication. We have done matrix multiplication, and till now we have done symmetric. You know what is symmetric matrix, and how to if a matrix is given, and how that matrix you need to convert into symmetric or skew symmetric, you can convert. So we have done symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, and we have done types of matrices, scalar, I mean multiplication of a matrix with a scalar number, multiplication of two matrices. We have done problems on that. Okay, so today we'll see elementary transformation of matrices, elementary transformation of matrix, means row and column, how to convert that, and we'll also see inverse today. Okay, so 80, what will be the value of 80? 80 will be transpose of this matrix. It means you have to just interchange the rows and columns. So first row will become the first column. So 1 2 4 3 2 1. So 3 2 1 minus 2 minus 3 2 minus 2 minus 3 2. Okay, now a plus 80 will be equal to, we have to add these two. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus minus 2, 4 minus 2 2, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus minus 3, so 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 2 plus 4 2, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and 2 plus 2 4. Now is this symmetric? How we'll find out? You need to check first row and first column, is it same? Is it same? So we'll check a plus 80, iska transpose. What will be the value of its transpose? 2 5 2, 2 5 2, 5 4 minus 2, 5 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2 4, 2 minus 2 4. And now compare it. 2 5 2, 2 5 2, 5 4 minus 2, 5 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2 4, 2 minus 2 4. So transpose of this is equal to this matrix. Okay, so we can say that A plus 80 is symmetric matrix. ठीक है, ये हम ऐसे भी check कर सकते हैं. We can check first row and first column. Is it same? Yes. 2 5 2, 2 5 2. Second column, second row. 5 4 minus 2, 5 4 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 4, 2 minus 2 4. तो वो same रहेगा, right? Similarly, we have to find out A minus 80, and this should be skew symmetric. So A minus 80, we have to prove this. So we have proved this one. Okay, this part, and second part we have to do. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus minus 2, so 4 plus 2 6. Now 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus minus 3, 1 plus 3 4, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, so now check it. 0 minus 1 6, 0 1 minus 6. Okay, so whatever is negative here, that is positive, and whatever is positive here, that is negative. मतलब when we'll remove minus ना, इस row से अगर हम minus निकाल देंगे तो that will be equal to the first column. If you want, I'll do this. 80 का ट्रांसपोज अगर हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, सो अगर हम माइनस रिमूव कर देंगे ना, तो विल गेट 0 minus 1 6 है, तो माइनस रिमूव किया, सो 0 1 minus 6 होगा. ओके, now 1 0 4, so minus 1 0 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4 0, So 6 4 0 minus we have taken common. Okay, so can you now compare this? 0 minus 1 6, 0 minus 1 6, 1 0 4, 1 0 4, minus 6 minus 4 0, minus 6 minus 4 0. So we can say that if this matrix is equal to the minus of this matrix, I mean transpose is equal to the matrix ka minus, negative of the matrix. Okay, so in this case we can say that this matrix is skew symmetric. Okay, got it? So if this is a matrix, so AT transpose of this matrix will be 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5. ठीक है? Now इस मैट्रिक्स को विल कन्वर्ट इन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है? सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, विल ऐड दिस A प्लस AT डिवाइडेड बाई 2. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे एंड डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कर देंगे. ठीक है? सो 1 अपॉन 2, 4 प्लस 4 8 माइनस 2 प्लस 3 क्या होगा, माइनस 2 प्लस 3 दैट इज 1. ओके, 3 माइनस 2 क्या होगा, 1 माइनस 5 माइनस 5 माइनस 10. ठीक है? सो दिस इज द नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाई 2. सो ये 4 हो जाएगा, ये 1/2 होगा, ये 1/2 होगा, ये माइनस 5 होगा. ठीक है? सो दिस इज वॉट A plus AT divided by 2. Now we have to find out A minus AT divided by 2. So that will be 1/2. तो हमने बेसिकली किया क्या है, एक मैट्रिक्स गिवन है, इस मैट्रिक्स को हमें सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स के सम के टर्म में हमें लिखना है एज अ सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है? इसको कन्वर्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या किया हमने, ट्रांसपोज निकाला एंड ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट किया एंड देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, we have given a sum A plus AT divided by 2 find out किया. now A minus AT divided by 2 हम find out करेंगे. okay, so first of all do this. A minus AT, तो 4 minus 4 0, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 2 तो plus 5 हो जाएगा, 3 plus 2 5 and minus 5 minus 5 तो 5 minus minus 5 plus 5 हो जाएगा 0. Okay, now divided by 2. So 0 by 2 0, minus 5 by 2 minus 5 upon 2, 5 by 2 5 upon 2 and 0 upon 2 that is 0. Okay, so ये हुआ हमारा this and this एक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड इसके टर्म में लिखना है. सो दिस इज स्क्यू एक सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स हुआ because this is a symmetric matrix. Why? Because when we'll convert it into transpose, इसका हम find out करेंगे ना, 4 1/2 तो 4 1/2 transpose क्या होगा, 4 ये 1/2 है तो we'll write here and now 1/2 यहाँ है तो we'll write here. okay, minus 5. तो दिस इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. A प्लस AT डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, क्योंकि हम जब भी उसके रो और कॉलम्स को हम इंटरचेंज करेंगे विल गेट द सेम वैल्यू. बट दिस इज अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स क्योंकि इसके रो और कॉलम्स को हम चेंज करेंगे. दिस इज 0 माइनस 5/2 तो 0 माइनस 5/2 हम नीचे लिखेंगे. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, हम उसका नेगेटिव मिल रहा है. तो दिस इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ओके, नाउ एक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स और इसके टर्म में हमें लिखना है तो वील राइट लाइक दिस. सो A विल बी इक्वल टू 4 1/2 minus 5 plus this matrix 0 5/2 0. okay, so इसके टर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड दिस इज अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. इन दोनों का सम करेंगे विल गेट A. लेट्स चेक. 4 plus 0 4 हाफ प्लस 5/2 तो 6/2 दैट इज 3 एंड हाफ माइनस 5/2 तो 2 माइनस ये माइनस 4/2 होगा दैट इज 2 एंड माइनस 5. ओके, चेक इट. 4 minus 2 सॉरी दिस इज माइनस ना, तो -2, 3 - 5, 3 - 5 हो गया ये. We are getting this. So we can write A as in a term of symmetric and the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. ठीक है, equal to B transpose into A transpose. ये हमें prove करना है. We have to prove this. Okay. So कैसे prove करेंगे? First of all we have to find out the AB multiplication. तो AB दोनों का we'll find out AB. So AB क्या होगा? This is 3 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 3. So we'll multiply and what we'll get? We'll get 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 2 है and so number of columns and number of rows of this equal है. So number of rows of this matrix and number of columns of this matrix will be the resultant. Okay. So 3 by 3 matrix हमें मिलेगा. So first of all 2 into first row first column लेके चलते. 2 into 0 0. -1 into 2, so -2. Now second row first column, 3 into 0 0, -2 into 2 -4. Now third row first column, 4 into 0 0, 1 into 2 +2. Okay. Now first row second column, 2 into 3 6, -1 into -1 +1. Second row second column, 3 into 3 9, -2 into -1 that will be +2. Now third row second column, 4 into 3 12, 1 into -1 -1. Okay. Now first row third column, this one, so 2 into -4 -8, -1 into 1 -1. Second row third column, 3 into -4 -12, -2 into 1 -2. Now third row third column, 4 into -4 -16 and 1 into 1 +1. Okay, so what we are getting? So AB जो होगा that will be -2 -4 and +2, मतलब -2 -4 and 2. ठीक है. Now 6 + 1 7, 9 + 2 11 and 12 - 1 11, -8 - 1 -9, -12 - 2 -14 and -16 + 1 -15. Okay. So AB का ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा? AB ट्रांसपोज होगा फर्स्ट रो will be the first column, so -2 7 -9, -2 7 -9, -4 11 -14, -4 11 -14, 2 11 -15, 2 11 -15. ठीक है, ये हुआ AB ट्रांसपोज. दिस इज LHS. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट RHS. सो फॉर दैट B ट्रांसपोज हम पहले लिख लेते हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ B ट्रांसपोज? 0 3 -4, 0 3 -4, 2 -1 1, 2 -1 1. Okay. Now A transpose. So 2 1, 2 -1, 2 -1, 3 -2, 3 -2, 4 and 1, 4 and 1. Now we have to find out the product of B transpose A transpose. Find out करना है. ठीक है. First row first column, 0 into 2 0, 2 into -1 -2. Second row first column, 3 into 2 6, -1 into -1 +1. ठीक है. Okay. Now third row first column, -4 into 2 -8 and 1 into -1, 1 into -1 -1. Now first row second column, 0 into 3 0, 2 into -2 -4. Second row second column, 3 into 3 9 and -1 into -2 +2. Third row second column, -4 into 3 -12 and 1 into -2 -2. Okay. Now first row third column, 0 into 4 0, 2 into 1 2. Second row, third column, 3 into 4, 12, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Okay. Now third row, third column, minus 4 into 4, minus 16, and 1 into 1, plus 1. So what we are getting, B transpose into A transpose will be equal to 0 minus 2, minus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, minus 8 minus 1, minus 9, minus 0 minus 4, minus 4, 9 plus 2, 11, and minus 12 minus 2, minus 14. 0 plus 2, 2, 12 minus 1, 11, minus 16 plus 1, minus 15. Now compare these two matrices. Okay, so this one and this one. So minus 2, minus 4, 2, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 7, 11, 11, 7, 11, 11, minus 9, 4, minus 14, minus 15, minus 9, minus 14, minus 15. So we can say that now it is proved AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, hence proved. We are transforming any row or any column, or we are multiplying it by any scalar number, and that will be converted into a new, that will be transformed into a new matrix. Okay, so elementary transformation, there are three types of elementary transformation. First one is interchange. So interchange any two rows or two columns will interchange. So in this case, this one is R1, sorry, this one is C1, column 1, this is C2, okay, this is R1, this is R2, okay. So first row, first column, first row, second row, first column, second column, okay. So any two rows or any two column will interchange, and that will be called as, that is the first type of elementary transformation, that is interchange any two row or any two column. So here we'll interchange the columns. Okay, so interchange column matlab ki we are interchanging column 1 and 2. So column 1 and column 2 ऐसे लिखते हैं, we'll denote this by like this. Okay, so this will become, A will be equal to, after interchanging this, A will become 7, 2, 5, 3. So this one is the first type of elementary transformation, that is interchanging any two. Multiplication is the second type of elementary transformation. In multiplication, what we are doing? Multiplication of the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar number. मतलब किसी एक रो को या किसी एक कॉलम को, दिस एंड दैट कैन बी R1, R2 or C1, C2. So multiplication of the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar number. So we are multiplying this by, so R1 will become 4R1. Okay, so what will happen then? A will be, this is R1 na? Okay, this is R1. Okay, so if after transforming this we are multiplying this, so that will be, we'll multiply this one will be R1. Okay, but the previous one, the started the actual A is there. So what we are doing, we are just multiplying 4 with R1. So it will be 20 and it will be 28 and 3 and 2. Wo, that will remain same. Why? Because we are just multiplying 4 into R1. So multiplication is multiplication of the elements of of the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar number. ठीक है? So ये हमने किया. Okay. Now the third one is addition. Third one is addition. So what we are doing in addition? Addition the scalar multiples of all the elements of any row to the corresponding elements of the another row column. So we can convert it like this. R1 को हमने चेंज किया R1 प्लस KR2. सिमिलरली हमने C2 को चेंज किया C2 प्लस KC1. Okay, so we can we can change this. So addition, basically what we are doing, addition of the scalar multiples of the elements of any row. So R2 we have taken any row or any column to the corresponding elements of the other row. Okay, so उसमें हम add करेंगे and we can convert this like this. Okay, matrix of A. Okay, now what we'll do, again we'll transform it. हम क्या transform करते हैं, चलो ये लेते हैं, we'll do this. So again what we are doing, C2 will become C2 plus KC1. Okay, so what is C2? This is C1, this is C2. Okay, so C2 will become, this one will become C2 plus KC1, and so A will be equal to C1 तो same रहेगा. Okay, so C1 is 20 and 3, and C2 क्या होगा, C2 will become C2 plus KC1. So C2 is this one 28 plus KC1 plus K20, and 2 into plus K3 3K. Okay, ठीक है, got it? So similarly what we'll add this. Okay, so there are three types of elementary transformation. First one is interchange. We can interchange any two rows or any two column. Multiplication, we can multiply with multiply the elements of any row or column to any with the non-zero scalar number. Okay, and next the last one is addition. Addition matlab we can do addition the scalar multiples of any row with the elements of all the elements of any row or column to the corresponding elements of any other row. So a matrix A is given 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to apply this. So R2 will be changed. R1 and R3 में कोई changes नहीं होंगे. R2 will be change, and इसमें addition वाला, the third elementary transformation, the third type of elementary transformation we have to do, that is R2 plus 2R1. So A will change, and R1 and R3 पे कोई changes नहीं होंगे. So 1 minus 2 minus 7, row 1, and row 3 is 3 minus 2 and 1. Okay, R2 will become R2 plus 2R1. So R2 is minus 2 plus 2R1. So this will become, so this is minus 2, this is 1, and this is 5. वो ऐसे लिख देते हैं as it is R2. Okay, plus 2R1, तो plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, and 2 into minus 7 is minus 14. So this will become 1 minus 2 minus 7, ये same रहेगा, and this one 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 and 1. Now 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 5 minus 14 is minus 9. ठीक है, this is a matrix given, and no कौन सा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है is not given. Elementary transformation, which type of elementary transformation we have to do, that is not given. Okay, so this one is a matrix given, and we have to do suitable transformation, and we have, हमें simplest form में इसे convert करना होगा. Okay, so first of all हम क्या करते हैं, R1 and R2 को interchange करते हैं. Okay, so R1 and R2 when we'll interchange now, what we'll get, A will be equal to 1 6 2 3. ठीक है, ऐसे चेंज किया. नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू, हम एक और काम कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दिस विल डू R1, ओके, R2 को विल चेंज, R2 minus 2R1. ओके, R2 will become, R2 will be R2 minus 2R1. क्यों? बिकॉज R2 में ये 2 है. When we'll multiply 2 into this one and we'll subtract 2 minus 2R1, so it will become 0. हमें 0 करना चाहिए. Okay, so now A will be equal to, this one is given, तो R2, so R1 में no changes, 1 and 6 रहेगा. R2 में 2 into 2 minus 2R1, तो ये होगा 2. Now 3 minus 2R1, that is 12. ठीक है, so what will be our answer, ये होगा हमारा 1 6, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 12 will be minus 9. ठीक है, if we are dividing this if we are dividing this by -9 there will be no change. This is R2, ठीक है. Okay, so R2 को अगर हम डिवाइड करते हैं, so R2 will become 1 upon -1/9. R2 से अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, so what will be our answer? A will be equal to 1 and 6 में no changes and 0 -9 में changes होंगे because we are dividing. So whenever you are multiplying anything by 0 or dividing anything by 0, if you are dividing anything, dividing 0 by anything or multiplying 0 by anything, the resultant will be 0. Okay, but when you are multiplying that number -9 by -1/9, it will become 1. Okay, now no changes here we have to do. What we have to do, हमें 6 को remove करना है. If we'll be able to remove 6, so क्या होगा? How we can remove 6? If C1 हम लेते हैं and या फिर ये, okay, so we'll do C1. हम C1 और this is C1 and this is C2. What we can do? C2 को हम C2 minus 6C1 करते हैं. Okay, C2, this is C2. If we'll remove this C2 minus 6C1, so this will become 6, so -6 0 हो जाएगा. Okay, so A will be C1 में there is no change, this is 1 and 0, ये वही रहेगा. 6 minus 1, तो 6 and 1 है, ठीक है. Now -6C1 minus 6 into 1 is 6 and -6 into 0 is 0, so it will be 1 0 0 1. ठीक है, this is identity matrix. Okay, so we can convert into simplest form. If there exists a matrix A, okay, and another matrix B, okay, so of order, this one of order M and this one also order M. Okay, so what is inverse? If we are multiplying A and B and we are getting I is identity matrix. Okay, so inverse of a matrix means if there exists a matrix A of order M and again a matrix B, another matrix B of the same order, that is M. Okay, and when we are multiplying A and B and we are getting I, that is identity matrix, then we can say that A matrix is B matrix is inverse of matrix A. Okay, so we can say, see, A and A inverse को हमने multiply किया, so we are getting I. It means and B is the inverse of A, मतलब A inverse is equal to B. ठीक है, then only we are whenever we multiply AB, मतलब we are multiplying A inverse. Okay, and so we'll get I. ठीक है, so B का मतलब हुआ A inverse. B is the inverse of A. Whenever there exist two matrices A and B of same order, and whenever we are multiplying the matrices and we are getting identity matrix, that is I, it means B is the inverse of A. Okay, matlab whenever A inverse is equal to B, so whenever we will multiply A both sides, so A into A inverse will be B, A into B, that is I. So वही चीज़ हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है, A into A inverse is equal to I. Okay, now we'll do sums based on this. Okay, we'll multiply, मतलब A and A inverse should be equal to I. Okay, तो वैसा हम ले लेंगे, if A is given and I we know, A inverse को we can जो elementary transformation करके we'll try to convert it into identity matrix. So when we will convert it into identity matrix ना, this will become A inverse. Okay, so elementary transformation करते करते ना, there is a point where this A will be converted into I. We'll try to convert this A into I. So this I will become A inverse. Okay, whenever we are multiplying any number with identity matrix, it will any matrix with identity matrix, so matrix that will remain same. Okay, the value will be same. So this is one method, but we have to check whether a matrix is invertible or not. Inverse we can find out in the, वो क्या है? Find out this is equal to 0. This should not be equal to 0. If this is not equal to 0, then only matrix will be equal to, that is invertible. Okay, And the second thing, there is one more method, that is to convert inverse. Okay, so see, inverse of a matrix A into A inverse will be equal to 0. Okay, so inverse of a matrix, there are two methods of finding inverse of a matrix. क्या है दो method? First one, A into A inverse is equal to I. ये हमें पता है. Okay, whenever we are multiplying any matrix with its inverse, we'll get I. Okay, so we'll convert this matrix A into I. We'll try to like elementary transformation. We'll transform this matrix into identity matrix. So this side will get A inverse. Okay. So जो भी matrix इधर मिलेगा, that will be the inverse of it. So this is one method, वो elementary transformation करके करेंगे. So this can be a lengthy, means ongoing process होगा. But in that case also, first of all, we need to check whether the matrix is invertible or not. So A जो determinant or the value of determinant should not be equal to 0. That should be a non-zero number. Then only the matrix is invertible. Okay. The second method is A inverse का value जो होता है, that is equal to 1 upon the value of determinant. Okay, and adjoint of the matrix A. Okay, so we'll see adjoint क्या होता है, मैं बताती हूँ. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, yeah. So what we can do, A into A inverse is equal to I. ठीक है. So it means 2, 1, 5, 3 into A inverse is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. And what we have to do, we have to convert this matrix into identity matrix. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, ये 1 है, 1 को ऊपर ले जा सकते हैं ना. So what we'll do, R1 will be, R1 and R2 को exchange कर देते हैं. So R1, R2, whatever we are doing this side ना, we have to do this side. So 2, 5, sorry, we have to exchange the, so 1, 3, 2, 5, A minus, I mean A inverse, so it will become 0, 1, 1, 0, ठीक है. उस साइड भी हम करेंगे same thing. So now, अब what we can do, इसे 0 करने के लिए we can do one thing. R2 को हम क्या करेंगे, R2 minus 2R1. So R2 minus 2R1 कर सकते ना. So what will the answer क्या होगा, R1 में तो no changes, 1, 3. R2 में 2 minus 2R1, तो 2 0 हो जाएगा. And 5 minus 2 into 3, तो 5 minus 6 minus 1. ठीक है. A inverse will be equal to, again R2 में we have to change, तो R1 में no changes, 0 and 1. And R2 में क्या होगा, this into 2R1. So this minus, तो 1 minus 0, 1 होगा, 0 minus 2 होगा. Okay. Now ये हमने किया. Now what we have to do, इसे हमें convert करना है. So can we do one thing, ये yes, अगर इसे हमें 0 करना है, so what we can do, we can this column, इस column में कोई change ना करते हुए, we can do one thing, this column C2 minus 3C1 करेंगे तो it will become 0. So C2 minus 3C1 करके देखते हैं. Okay, so this is C1 में no changes, so C1 will remain same, that is 1 and 0, and C2 में 3 and minus 1 है. Okay, so what we have to do, 3 minus 1, तो C2 minus 3C1, so 3 minus 3C1, 3 and minus 1 minus 3, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, 0 is there. Okay, into A inverse is equal to, again the same thing we have to apply here. So C1 में no changes, 0, 1, and C2 में क्या होगा, this minus 1 and minus 2, 1 and minus 2. Okay, so 1 minus 3 into 0, 0, and 2 minus 2 minus 3, 1, तो minus 3 हो गया. So this will be equal to 1, 0, 0, minus 1 होगा, into A inverse is equal to 0, 1, 1 minus 5. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हमें सिर्फ इसको माइनस में इसको माइनस हटाना है. सो वी कैन डू वन थिंग, R2 विल बी इक्वल टू, R2 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे माइनस R2 में. ठीक है. सो दिस विल बिकम 1 0 0 माइनस R2 मतलब 1. A इनवर्स विल बी इक्वल टू, R2 इज माइनस चेंज करेंगे तो 0 1 minus 1 5. So this matrix, no, so A inverse is equal to 0 1 minus 1 and 5. Now we can do one thing, this matrix and this A into A inverse should be equal to 0 as 1 identity matrix. So we can do one thing, we'll multiply these two matrix and you can do this, you just multiply A and A inverse and check whether you are getting identity matrix or not. Today we have done elementary method. So in next video we'll do the another method. In that method we need to find out the, first of all you need to find out the value of the determinant of a given matrix, जिसका inverse निकालना है. So if you have a given matrix and you have to find out the inverse of that matrix, so first of all you need to find out the value of the determinant of that matrix. Okay. And for that particular matrix you have to find out the adjoint also, and for adjoint you need to find out the minus and cofactors मिलेंगे, and then there will be a matrix of cofactors. Then what you have to do, matrix of cofactor का transpose find out करना है. Once you will find out the transpose of a matrix of cofactor of a given matrix, then you will find out the adjoint. Okay. So adjoint minus cofactor transpose and the determinant, the value of the determinant of the given matrix. These things you need to find out the inverse of a matrix. That is very simple method. We'll do that in next video. Okay. I hope you understood the sums, you understood the concept of finding out the inverse and elementary transformation, 3 types of elementary I hope you understood everything, all sums, and if you have any doubt, any comment, any query, please comment, do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.